than happy to bring you guys along. So it is currently 5:05 in the morning, and I am actually on the way to pick up Vanessa. As you guys have already noticed, my baby is nowhere to be found. Where you at, baby? I am on the way to pick up Vanessa, and then we're gonna be driving to Riverside. Riverside is our first stop of the day because we do have a lot planned out for today. So I also wanted to mention it is my birthday today. Woo! Virgo season has started, y'all, and I am turning 31 today. And so yeah, we got a whole day planned out, so many activities. Let's get this shit started. Oh my gosh. Hey.
Happy
Dude,
day.
push this shit aside. I love how we're literally matching. Well, we got this and we got our little tote bag.
Wait, that's the one Janina?
Yes, you got it?
Yes, that's
Oh,
it.
look. Thank you, Janina.
It's because there was like all this other stuff like the Pedialyte and like I got a new Vic stick and I didn't want to put it in my backpack, so I was like, oh, I need to bring another bag.
Yeah. Oh, you like dream state vibes right now.
It really is. Where's the camera?
Oh, there you go. I knew it, dude.
I freaking knew it. Hey, Bob, what's up?
She's here.
Hey.
And, oh, I was gonna say, it's like all the
Get your eyelashes too, guys.
yeah. Bring them out.
Damn.
Bring 'em out. Funny enough, I almost forgot
It's
any
okay.
eyelash. And I was like, okay, well, worst would have been we just stop and like buy myself some
There's
eyelashes.
no worse because the last time that Dreams Day happened, I told myself I would never leave the house unless I have 2 extra pairs.
Yeah, dude.
Specifically
It was so
for
bad.
you.
Yeah.
So I have 2 extra pairs just in case.
That is so sweet.
Well, I'm not one to lose my lashes, but others are.
Yeah.
You gotta be prepared. I'll be ready.
We're ready. Let's go. Let's hit the road.
Proceed to the route. We lit. Shit, hello. This isn't even wet. I was trying to put water in it and it didn't fucking work. Do you see the difference already? How red I am on this side.
Yes,
and
dude.
on that side.
Wow. You know, I knew. So I'm gonna start a new segment. Whoever takes a picture, or everybody that I take a picture with, has to wear the glasses. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Oh.
Okay, yeah, I like
okay.
that. How do I do this? Like,
Just look in there and then whatever you see is how the photo comes out.
it only took one.
Yeah. Are we ready, people?
Hell yeah.
Are we ready to get lit? Electrolytes,
That's a 6-pack
a
right
pendulum,
Damn.
disposable
Oh my God.
camera,
I just realized that.
a 6-pack. Don't fuck with us.
Gotta keep it low key. I feel like those street vendors like selling you like shots before you go to a festival.
No, dude. Could you imagine? Like, this would be business
Oh my
right
God.
here. Oh, I didn't get a shot.
Oh, my bad. Damn.
He's
Damn,
drunk
I'm
already.
fucking up. How do I forget that? I'm a terrible
get it.
I
bug.
think because you poured mine and you thought it was hers.
No, I just fucked up. Like,
Okay, it's okay.
can't be
Okay.
forgetting the
We're
birthday
taking
girl
baby
shot.
shots right now for
While we wait.
brunch.
Let's go cheers. By the time you guys get to the end of this video, this vlog, shot counter right here will be at least 40 shots
Hey!
per person.
What about the mimosas?
Hell.
Oh, can you put that in?
Yeah.
The mimosas?
Yeah. Well, all
counts.
drinks included right here. This counter will be
All
at
right.
least 50
Everybody point at it.
right here.
I'm
I
like,
forgot.
damn, that means I gotta edit.
More
I
edited.
forgot.
There you go.
Wait, I forgot whose cup is whose.
This one's mine.
This was mine?
Yeah, that was
I'm
yours.
just gonna
This
throw
one's
mine
mine.
here.
Can I put mine in there too? Then? But I'll be in the corner where this Gatorade's. Oh, let me lay it down. There you go. That's how we do it.
Lay
That's how
you
we do it.
down. I really wanna lay you down.
Yeah, let's
Show you what it's all about. We're gonna go get some brunch. We're gonna get some mimosas. We're going to the Great Maple, so let's go show you guys, because this is actually one of my favorite like breakfast spots out here. Shout out Lauren. Shout out Lauren,
Hey,
baby.
shout out Lauren
She's actually the one
for
that,
getting us on the spot.
yeah, she's the one that recommended us the spot. So yeah, it's been kind of like our go-to every time we come to San Diego.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's get these
It's a
birthday
vibe.
vibes going.
Hey.
Shout out my baby for getting me this little, what is it called? Sash.
Sash.
And not stash, sash. But anyway, I can't wait to show you guys like what we're gonna get. I don't know, are we gonna eat a lot?
I'm not like a whole lot,
No.
but I say good enough amount.
What about you? Is you hungry?
I know myself. I'm not gonna eat a lot.
Yeah.
I am hungry, but I'm gonna try to.
I'm not much of a morning eater.
Eat not too much.
No, I'm not.
Not eat too much. Cause I'm trying to drink some vodka after this, bro.
I kind of want to like
So-
bring you guys into like the plans for today. Obviously, we left the house at 5 in the morning and we made it to Riverside to pick him up. Well, kind of pick him up at like 8:30.
Yeah.
And
We
then
left by like 8:50.
yeah, 8:50 we hit the road again, came to San Diego. It is now currently what time is it?
It is
10:45.
Ooh,
10:54.
10:54. And we're about to have some breakfast, and after this we are actually going to be going to a trans boat party, which I'm super excited because earlier it was actually raining out here, and right now it's like super sunny. Sun is beaming down on us, and it should be perfect weather for a boat ride. And after that we're actually going to be heading to LA, and at LA we have a show out there. It's an underground show with Simon Patterson and John Askew. So I can't wait, but we'll see you inside of the restaurant.
You were built to flow outward, as you say, to flow beyond the galaxy, into the ocean of the universe.
I don't know why in my head I was thinking we were chugging it.
Oh, you want to
I'm
Go
sorry.
for it.
No, I don't know why I was thinking like we were
Damn,
gonna
you
chug
guys
it.
cooked already.
Okay.
Been telling me.
No,
it's
like this. I'm like looking like this. No, I'm okay. Okay.
Yeah, you look good, baby. How about I just post it myself and I tag you
Okay.
and you repost it?
Tag us. Tag us.
Tag both
Unless
you
you
guys.
don't want to repost it.
How do I use it? Post it first and then mention you? What do I do?
Just
Do this?
yeah.
Hold on. Hold on.
What you hungry over there?
I'm writing a message.
Hell nah.
I'm writing a
You
message.
saw that?
I'm writing a message. I was gonna say happy birthday.
That was the best thing ever. That was the best thing ever.
That's suspicious.
Right?
That's weird.
Hot in 4K, like Miranda said.
How is it? What would you rate it? 1 out of 10.
That shit nasty.
Huh?
That shit nasty. It's strong.
Negative
The
one.
champagne.
The champagne. He was shaking it. Like he knows what he's doing.
Oh, yeah.
I hope that that man made this street.
Double tip today.
Double, exactly. I trust a man with that mustache too.
Not the porn mustache, brother.
I trust him.
Everyone's got porn mustaches here.
Well, I guess
I would.
You were built to flow outward, as you say, to flow.
But you're a what?
like a solid 6.
A 6?
But yeah.
How are you feeling, baby? 1 to 10.
Ooh, I'm feeling full as fuck. I'm feeling good though.
I am at a solid 5.
That's lit.
That's freaking
That's
lit.
fucking lit.
Yeah. It's a good start. It's only
start.
it's only 12 o'clock. So we just finished breakfast and we are trying to look for the nearest spirit stores because my dumbass fucking forgot my what's it called, a bandana. So the boat party that we're going to is actually a pirate theme, and Christian and I had gone to the Spirit Halloween and I bought a pirate bandana and it was gonna look so freaking cool, and I forgot it in my car, which my car stayed in Riverside. See, I'm not tripping too hard on the sponge. I feel like I do need a sponge for later on for sure. Right now I'm chilling. I feel like my makeup is decent. Actually, I really like how it came out. I like this not full beat, not full glam look right now that I'm giving. So I'm actually liking it. But for sure I need my full beat for tonight. So we're gonna have to find like some kind of store or something on the way to LA to buy a beauty blender. So we're trying to find like the nearest.
We're going 11 minutes away.
Let's go. 11 minutes away. Let's go, guys.
Monkey see, monkey
This is it. Look.
They got a couple hats.
Get it.
No, I already have my hair, dude.
Okay. Fine. An eye patch?
Dude.
Tattoos?
I'm dead.
Wait, what? They sell these boot? Oh, boot covers. Hey, this is fire.
That is fire.
Oh.
Didn't you say Nemo?
No, I have one, but I mean, that would probably be
this
cuter.
is what we need, dude.
Down?
Dude.
No, I think we're drunk spending right now. Because then I'll buy him this shit. I'll buy him the coat. I will buy him the eye patch, the sword.
The ring.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, okay.
Ooh. Let me get that. Yes, sir. Be me at the underground. Definitely me. Hell yeah.
Let's go. Alright. Let's go. You look like you're in a biker game.
Yeah, huh? I look all like gangster.
Hell yeah.
Where's the cap?
You must have it somewhere in there.
You must have it somewhere. Let me see.
This is the kind of trance I'm expecting to hear. I'm feeling like I need a pouch now.
Alright, say less. The one. I'm the one who'll probably be driving.
Wait, are they queer?
Oh yeah, no, for sure.
Alright guys, we just made it to the bay and we have no idea where to go. There was no actual like specific directions on like what boat to go on or like where to head to. So we're actually just gonna go to like the actual location that they put on their post, which is, I believe it's like the main office, huh?
Oh, it looks like a restaurant to me.
Or a restaurant, I don't know what it is, but I am kind of assuming that maybe like it's kind of like the meetup spot. We all meet there and then we head to the boat. So we are on good timing. It's around 1:30 right now and the event didn't start until like 2 o'clock. So we're at a good time. We are all in costume. It was a pirate theme, so here's my fit. All right, and then I want to show you guys Christian's fit. Where are you? Woo! Got that pirate hat going. All right. And then we got Vanessa over here. Hey, she got the matching shoes. Okay.
Trancension. Let's go.
No way. That was so easy.
What, you guys want to drink the costumes here? Or drink?
I have to pee.
Yeah, I gotta pee too. Let's look in here.
Yeah,
There has to be a restroom in here. There's no way. Vanessa's using the restroom right now. She's peeing up a stream, a river. She's fucking ocean, dude. Fuck. So we're all checked in, ready to go. We got our wristbands, and they said that the check-in? No, not the check-in. They're gonna start boarding. There you go. Thank you. The boarding starts at 2:45. So we're about like 30 minutes away. Oh my God! Look at that! It's a baby. It's a baby birdie. Wait! He disappeared.
Is he drowning?
I hope not. He's drowning. Where he got shy. He got shy.
Hey, where the fuck you at?
Anyway, bird disappeared on me, but these are the vibes. This is the view that we have. So beautiful. All right, guys, cheers. Cheers with the ogre balls, as Aunt Lulu would say.
Thank you.
Drunk. If you start hiccuping, that's it. That's it for you.
That's really good. I'm good.
No more.
That's fair enough.
That's a big ass beautiful boat, dude. Wow.
I look forward to raiding with you all on the boat. Alright. Hold on to your booty is all that good pirate shit. I'll see you there.
You're amazing. Oh, they said no.
They're not ready for the debauchery. Pirate baby. My dream.
Speaking facts. Speaking facts.
Oh, finally.
Oh, they're checking bags.
It's like most of them right now, like all especially all the tourists, they have like really good stabilizers, and I'm so happy.
Good, how are you?
VIP.
Yeah, I was waiting for my best friend. Thank you.
Catch that?
Huh? I caught that. I caught that. Oh. Can I put my backpack on?
Yeah, yeah.
Vamos, vamos.
Okay.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
I know.
Hi folks, how you doing?
Hello, how
One
are
at a
you?
time, please.
Alright.
And watch your step through any door.
Thank
okay?
you.
Any door you go through has a lift.
Yeah, I think so. I've never been on a
Oh my god, this is so exciting. Oh shit, they got the bar right here. Yeah.
Yeah, they're all up there right now.
Whatever the heck is, I don't know.
I'm gonna go that way. Oh, they got, I guess they got two stages going on. So I didn't even know that this was a thing, but apparently they have a stage up here and then they got a stage down here. Hey. much fun. It's literally ending right now. Christian is in the restroom, and we are about to exit the boat and head to the car. And literally after that, we're gonna go to LA. Let's freaking go! That boat ride was 10 out of 10.
That's it?
It was
100 out of 10.
what?
It was 100 out of 10.
What?
100. 100. That means
100. Guys,
We keep it 100.
at 10,000. It was awesome. It was
was
truly
amazing.
Awesome. I had a lot
Wow.
of fun.
The music, the vibes. There was like certain times in the boat where I would be like, oh shit, you know, like losing my balance. But
It's when we're turning.
yeah, it was when we were
Turning, you know. That shit is moving.
but it was,
Tornado.
oh my god, it was amazing. Such a good time. I would definitely recommend to all my trans fans, and I would definitely come again. But now we are actually on our way to get some food. We're probably gonna end up going to Main Chick. Yeah? San Diego 1, Vanessa 0. We picked up some Main Chick and always recommend. Always. Oh, damn. That is so fucking cute. Guys, this is so cute. It's like a little mini apartment.
It was so hot in here earlier.
Oh, really?
When I got in, they didn't have the AC running at all. It was like, to see it. It's good to see you.
We got in the dark in the house.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, thank you. She, you know what? Why even go out? Let's just stay in here.
Okay, but hold up. We gotta take a photo.
Pretty much hear them. They're all just like cracked out.
That's funny.
Yeah, this fucking
No.
You're what?
I hope so, dude.
What happened?
Her phone.
That shit is dead.
Are you sure?
On your phone?
Let's go get it really quick.
Let's go.
It's not on you?
No, dude, I didn't think
Yeah, so.
Got a whole ass kitchen over here. Dang, it's a full size fridge.
Got specialty products in there.
That's so funny you say that.
The acid pass. The square ones. So your guys' bed is in there, and then you guys have your own thermostat too in here.
Oh shit, no wonder it's nice and...
Time period or
Hey guys, so sorry for the really bad lighting in here, but I'm currently baking my face. I took a shower and I had to redo my whole makeup just because we were under the sun all day and that thing was looking a little crusty. So makeup is done, and honestly all I gotta do now is get dressed. So let me show you guys the outfit. Okay, so I got this belt, got some sleeves. This is my birthday sash for tonight. And then I have some black shorts, this orange top that I actually bought at Sunny Alley the last time, and I'm bringing these bad boys out tonight. Look at that. Yes. So I hope you guys can still hear me. Again, the lighting in here is so bad, but I wanted to show you guys my wig that I got. This is one of my like most exciting things that I have right now, or that I'm most excited about right now. It's like a dark brown wig with like little streaks of what are these, like glitter and orange hair at the bottom. Super cute. Oh my gosh. But let's get dressed. All right guys, here is my outfit. It's my full outfit for tonight. Oh, hopefully my phone doesn't fall. these are the boots. Yes. I love it. Outfit check, Vanessa. All right, outfit check, guys. Sheesh, let's go. You excited, baby?
I'm excited. Let's do this.
Ooh. It's gonna be a 7-hour show for tonight, 11 to 6 a.m. So, whew, it's gonna be a rough night since I have been up since 5 in the morning. But we're gonna push through and we're gonna have a lot of fun. Unfortunately, I will probably not be recording inside just out of respect for work and 6 a.m. and obviously everybody in there. So I may give you guys a clip here and there, but that's pretty much it. But see you guys inside. Again, sadly, I did not get to record too much of this night, but just know that it was a great time. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you on the next vlog. Bye.
To flow outward.